Okay, here I got the Woods mower, the Garden Pride 22. It's been sitting under that tarp quite a while now. Quite a few mice in there. As you can see, this thing is pretty dirty. I just put a little gas in it and noticed it's leaking fuel here, so that's an issue. Never had any maintenance done to it either. Spark plug's nice and crusty there. Boot's a little loose. It's alright though. The linkage here, something's broken. You can see how crudted up it is, all the mice getting in and out of there. I don't know if it's got oil in it. Maybe some sludge. Not much oil in it. The gas I just put in also is, God, probably a year old at least. I don't know when the last time I used that can was. So yeah, let's see if we can get this beast to fire off. She never let me down before. The Benny's Special. Got the Quantum. See that there? The Quantum. Briggs, baby. Nothing but a Briggs, right? Alright, I'm going to set this guy down and see what we can do. A little windy too today. Don't mind that. Got to prop this open, I think, because the spring's broken on it. There we go. Alright. Let's give her an old try here. Prime her up like usual. Well, that's not good. Incredible. You don't need nothing fancy. You don't need nothing but a Benny's Special.